Hey students, this video is going to explain in a really quick way how to post your assignments in the platform. So the first thing you need to do is go to the year view in the platform and select the unit that you're working on. So the very first unit we're going to work on is design your own curriculum. And then you'll have units 1 through 12. You might only complete 6, 7, 8, 9. But just remember whichever unit you're working on and click on it. Then the first thing you're going to want to do in the unit is click on List of Course Folders and open that document. In here, you will find a list of the folders for all of the courses you can complete. It includes required units and also the literature units that you got to select from. They're all in alphabetical order. Do not count the word the. So if I'm trying to find Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, I would look for A, not T. And then you select your folder. So the very first unit we're working on is building your curriculum. So I find it in alphabetical order, and I'm going to click on the folder. And this will take me to all of my materials. So once you're in the folder, you'll find that all of these materials are view only. And therefore, you're going to need to make copies of these view only documents so that you can actually work on them. So let's take a look at checkpoint 1, Unit Planner. So once you open up the document, it will be view only. So you'll need to go to File, Make a Copy. And then when it says copy of, make sure to put your last name, not mine. Put your last name and then click OK. And now this will create a copy of the document that you can type in and complete the directions for. However, we're not done quite yet. You need to do 2 more things. The next thing you need to do is share the document with me so that I can give you feedback. So you do that by clicking share, and then where it says add people and groups, type in Jessica Stokes, and then select my email address. You can type me a message. Hi, I think your class is swell. You don't have to do that. And then you click send. And now I will be able to edit your document. One more thing. You'll click on share again, and now you're going to get a link. You'll click copy link, and you'll return to the platform. And you will want to post this link in the corresponding checkpoint. So that was checkpoint 1. I'll open up checkpoint 1 and notice that it's just a blank document. And you will post the link into checkpoint 1. I'd be super appreciative if you could make the link live, if you know what that means, so that I can just click on it. So you'd copy and paste the link in the checkpoint, and then you would click request feedback. Or if it's a final project, you would click submit for grading, and then you're done. So that's the process in which you submit work. After you've done this a couple times, it's going to be very, very easy. You might even create your own process where you might create your own folder and put all the documents in there so that you can find them more easily. But as long as you immediately put your link into the correct checkpoint, you will always be able to find your assignment, and I will always be able to find your assignment. So once you make a copy of the document, make sure to immediately put the link in the correct checkpoint or final project. All right, thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.